M0FXB and welcome to my channel. Let's learn Morse. Today we are learning K and L. K, da di da, da di da, da di da, and L, di da di di, di da di di, di da di di. Listen to the sounds and the rhythm that you hear. Let's do K first. Da di da. Close your eyes and listen to the sound and the rhythm. Get a pen and write down the letter that you hear. That's K. Let's move on to L. Di-da, di-di, di-da, di-di. Listen to the sound and the rhythm. Close your eyes, listen to it, then write down the letter L. Thanks for watching. If you're finding these helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel and I'll catch you on air. 7-3, all the best.